Hi, I'm Chris from Solar Gates. This is just a short video to highlight the process to get your INSTABOOM Go's up and running if you've already paired them.
This process is simple and can easily be undertaken at the roadside if necessary. You will need to have the cases open to be able to access the control board. Given the generous battery standby time, it's also feasible to go through this process before attending site. Position together the INSTABOOM Go units, ensuring they are within radio range, and turn them on. Press the select button to initiate the self-test process, and the sign will move to both extents and finish in the stop position. Once the self-test is successfully complete, the unit will scroll through a number of messages, as shown. This will show how the system is currently configured, including each device's operating mode as either master or slave, the number of slave devices paired with the master, and the minimum stop and go times for operation. If these settings are appropriate for your proposed works, and you can be certain you have the correct paired units with you, you can go ahead and put the system into live operation mode. Working on the master device only, wait until the display reads "Pair and go live," and press the select button for 3 seconds as shown. You will be prompted that you want to retain the current pairs. Press the blue Yes button, and the device will remind you of the safety critical nature of going live, subsequently requesting that you confirm with the blue Yes button once again. When the master is ready, the screen will prompt Ready to go live, and you must press the select button for 3 seconds. The master device then synchronizes with all the slave devices. Once this process is complete, the screen will show live operation on all the devices in the system. The setup process is now complete and the units are ready for use. With the cases still open, you can use your remote to test the operation of the system. Button 1 will put the master into Go mode, which you can see when the motor is extended. After the minimum time, any button on the remote will return your system to all on stop. Once the traffic has cleared, and after your programmed minimum stop time, you can select another device to move to the Go position.
So I hope that was helpful. For more help or technical assistance, please contact us directly.